Well, I'm back on. This been sitting here for about 3 or 4 minutes. Let's see if it's still hot. Yeah, plenty hot. Now, I'm gonna try to pour some into my cup here. See where that goes. Carefully pour it so I don't get much for grounds. I was told in other videos, and I've actually done it before, if you're careful, you don't get hardly any grounds in your coffee. Maybe none. But I'll set up there to keep it warm. Cowboy coffee. See how this goes. Well, this is old Ted. Take my first sip. Ooh, it's hot and it's good. Okay, hey, that worked. I like it. Ooh, it's hot, buddy. That was definitely some boiling water. This is old Ted. Wishing y'all a happy new year. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Cowboy coffee can't be beat. See, one thing about all this, and this stuff is hot, believe me. I'm out on a cold, rainy day, which is miserable out, and yet I'm thoroughly enjoyed myself. It's a good way to start or to end the year. This is old Ted. See you next time.